Welcome back. GBA has strongly opposed the proposal by government to implement Regional Plan 2001 till new plan comes into force. GBA has demanded that the government should work on the new plan and get it approved by the Gram Sabhas and then de-notify Regional Plan 2021. GBA fears the 2001 plan will benefit real estate lobby more than the common man.
This is the story of a farmer at Kankorn, Zulpagaukar. He is facing real tough days to maintain his own farm and occupation. His cultivation is in danger following action of centre to reduce kerosene quota to Goa drastically by 73%. Farmers in rural areas have bought water pumps provided by the Agriculture Department at subsidized rates. These pumps run on kerosene. Quota reduction has directly affected their farms.
ह्या महिन्याक गव्हर्मेंटाक एक थेंबसान केरोसीन मेळ्ळें ना केरोसीन आमकां काणकोणाक खंयच ना उपलब्ध म्हणजे आतां एक उदक लावपाचो प्रॉब्लेम जाला तितलें फोल्डर मागीर फुकट येता सांगपा म्हणल्यार तेन्ना आमगे मागे तरी मागणी आहा गव्हर्मेंटान कितें पावसाचे 4 म्हयने सोडून कितें फुडले 8 म्हयने कितें तरी केरोसीन पंप गोंयांत आहाय पळय तांकां पेट्रोल कितें तरी केरोसीन थोडें तरी दिवपाचें हें करचें.
Agricultural Zonal Officer Rajesh Desai informed us that almost 50 farmers have bought water pumps from the Agriculture Department.
थोडे शेतकऱ्यांनी सांगत आसा की केरोसीन मेळना आनी तेजे बद्दल आमकां काय अजून तसो ऑथेंटिकेट अशें कांय येवना पूण शेतकऱ्यांनी कंप्लेन करता आपल्याक केरोसीन मेळना पूण तांकां काय सोल्युशन आसना न्ही आमचे कडेन तर सोल्युशन ना.
The union government recently reduced Goa's kerosene quota by 73%. It has also instructed that kerosene be strictly used only for cooking and illumination and not for any commercial purpose. Goa is now drawing only 1,308 kiloliter, unlike the previous quota of 3,500 kiloliter. The centre had also pointed out that Goa consumes a high quantity of LPG and there is no need for kerosene. Civil Supply Minister Dayanand Mandrekar a few days ago had assured that he will speak with the centre to revoke the quota reduction. But how long will it take? Will farmers have to give up their occupation or will the government provide some alternative solution?
महाराष्ट्रात जी पळय शेतकारांची परिस्थिती येयल्या ती गोंयच्या शेतकारांच्या येवपाक वेळ लागपाना अशें ते म्हणटा. प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर हांव काणकोणच्यान बाबेश बोरकर.
GBA has strongly opposed the proposal by government to implement Regional Plan 2001 till the new plan comes into force. GBA has demanded that the government should work on the new plan and get it approved by the Gram Sabhas and then de-notify Regional Plan 2021. GBA fears that 2001 plan will benefit real estate lobby more than the common man.
RP 2001 stated a blanket high 80 FAR across rural areas in the state. The Regional Plan 2001 also did not consider the eco-sensitive zones. GBA has thus demanded that the government should immediately treat all areas marked as natural covers given as orchard status in RP 2021 prohibiting development in the areas.
GBA has taken a decision that we are going to oppose the notification of 2001, and the reason why we are opposed to RP 2001 is because it does not have the eco-sensitive zones marked. It is very vague and it has got higher FAR. Besides, there are other issues like zone plans, but these are the main issues for the reason for which we are opposed to the notification of 2001.
GBA also states that the government had promised to consult all the stakeholders but has created more confusions. They say that builders' lobby will be benefited by the decision of the government.
All this work, see what GBA is most upset about is for the last 5 years people are coming out on the street fighting every project that is coming. We are fighting to protect our land, protect the eco-sensitive zone, and in one brush the government just throws all this aside. And whatever we have gained in terms of our struggle, it's people's struggle. We have got the eco-sensitive zones marked. We have reduced the FAR. We have seen that all those arbitrary planning that was happening, that is removed. Now all this for 6 months the government wants to hold in abeyance. So once all these projects come in, what is remaining of Goa to be saved?
A video journalist in Panji, Dinesh Karpe.
Goa's new governor Bharat Veer Vanchu landed in the state on Thursday. He was received at the Daboli airport. He will be sworn in as the new governor of Goa on Friday. Vanchu will relieve K. Shankar Narayanan from his additional charge as governor of Goa. Shankar Narayanan was holding this charge since September 2011.
Former chief of the Special Protection Group Bharat Veer Vanchu will be sworn in as the new governor of Goa on Friday. He landed in the state on Thursday afternoon. He will relieve K. Shankar Narayanan, governor of Maharashtra, who holds additional charge of Goa since September 2011. Shankar Narayanan was given the charge after the transfer of S.S. Sidhu, who was Goa governor for over 3 years. A reporter from Daboli, Surendra Badkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.